In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a field as an external ID in Salesforce, and we'll also delve into what an external ID is and why it's used. To begin, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Setup section by clicking the gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This will open the Advanced Setup menu where you can tweak various settings within Salesforce. Once you're in the setup area, pay attention to the quick find box. Type in Object Manager and hit enter. The Object Manager is your go-to place for managing all the objects in your Salesforce environment. Now that you've located the Object Manager, go ahead and click on it. Within this area, you'll want to select the specific object that you'll be working with. This might be an object you've created or a standard one you're modifying. After selecting the object, navigate to the Fields and Relationships section. This is where you can see all the existing fields and their configurations. Here, you'll click on the New button to create a field. You'll be prompted to choose a field type. You can select from text, number, or email based on what suits your needs. Once you have decided on the field type, you'll need to enter the details for this field. This is where we mark it as an external ID. You'll see an option to mark the field as an external ID. Simply put a check mark in that box. Choosing this option is crucial for the functionalities we'll cover later. After you've entered the field details and marked it accordingly, click on Next and finally save the changes you've made. Now let's talk about what an external ID is. Think of it as a custom field that serves as a unique identifier. It's particularly useful when this identifier originates from an external system such as an ERP or an HR system. This unique identifier allows Salesforce to recognize data coming into the system, making it essential for seamless data integration between Salesforce and other external systems. There are several practical benefits to using an external ID. It's instrumental in data imports and updates, especially when you want to work without relying on the standard Salesforce record IDs. This flexibility allows for easier data management and manipulation. Another key advantage of using external IDs is that they support upsert operations. An upsert operation is essentially a dual-purpose function that inserts a new record or updates an existing one based on the external ID. This functionality can greatly streamline your data handling processes. Understanding how to use external IDs and why they're important can elevate your Salesforce experience by simplifying the complexities of data management and integration. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently mark a field as an external ID and leverage its benefits.